everyone. Today I am here to introduce an essential tool at the AlianHub that helps you to keep a track record of our time and resources very effectively. That's called timesheet. You can find various timesheets on this AlianHub, and here in this video I will explain with the user timesheet. So let's get started.
First of all, go to the timesheet and click on User Timesheet. This timesheet displays the log hours of all the users in all the assigned project with their details. Now, you can select the time period during which you need to view the timesheet by going through the calendar. For example, let's select the time frame from August 1st to 31st and then click on Apply. User Timesheets allows you to keep a track on how much time each employee spends working on each project. It makes it simple to determine how many hours an employee works on a given day. Users, team leaders, or HR do not need to manually tally the number of hours spent. You can also filter by users, teams, and projects. So let's use the filter by clicking on the same and choose the user. Let's say Brijesh. Here you will able to see the user log hours with respect to its date. With the filters in the user timesheet, you can view the log hours of particular users or a particular team or of a users in a particular project, like this. Furthermore, it's help in finding how much time is taken by a user or employee on a particular project. Also, it will show the total working hours of users in a company of a day or a custom time period. Similarly, you can filter by teams and projects. You can refer the detailed explanation of these from the workload timesheets video given in the below description.
So guys, from this video, you will have an idea how the timesheet is important in our day-to-day life, as well as for the company owners. It's like a control center of the spaceship. That means it helps you to explore and manage your projects and team member with very accuracy. If you like this video, then please let me know by clicking a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and hitting up a subscribe bell icon. And stay tuned for the next upcoming video on the project timesheet. Thank you.